ఓకేనా?
वीडियो स्टूडियो का फ्रीलांस
కార్మిక శాఖ మంత్రులు, కేంద్ర మంత్రివర్యులు అప్పట్లో వాజ్పేయి గారు చక్కటి సందేశాన్ని ఇచ్చేవారు. ఆయన హావభావాలతో పాటు ఆయన అనుకరించే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. వాజ్పేయి గారు హెలికాప్టర్లో వచ్చేస్తారు, ఆయన కూడా ఎలక్షన్ క్యాంపెయిన్ కోసం.
ये बाल बच्चे कैसे हैं? तो उन्होंने जवाब दिया, बाल तो बूढ़े होके जड़ने लगे अटल जी, मेरे बच्चे भी बच्चे नहीं। राहुल प्रियंका ये राजनीति लोग बन गए, पार्लियामेंट को चले गए। हमने शांतिपूर्वक से इच्छा से बात कर रहे हैं। मुशर्रफ जी से
ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ అశోక్ రెడ్డి గారు, బండారు దత్తాత్రేయ గారు తప్పకుండా అక్కడ పంపిస్తారని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. తప్పకుండా ఆశిస్తున్నాం మేమంతా కూడా. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మరొక గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతో వారిని
Jai Bhim and good evening to all. It's a matter of pleasure for the United Forum for SC and ST employees. Today we have gathered here for inaugurating our diary and also website. Sir, हम चाहते थे कि पूरा हॉल भरे, लेकिन कई लोग 4 बजे का प्रोग्राम था, लेकिन स्टिल दे आर ऑन द वे. एक 10-15 किलोमीटर के दूर पे है, लेकिन हम आपका समय ज़्यादा नहीं लेते हुए ये प्रोग्राम को हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. सर, लेट मी इनवाइट देविका रानी टू कैरी आउट फर्दर प्रोसीडिंग्स.
जय भीम. Namaste, good evening, Shabak here. On behalf of the United Forum, I take immense pleasure to invite everyone on this beautiful evening for one of its kind occasion of releasing the diary of 2015 and launching of the website.
About the United Forum, I wholeheartedly thank Shri Bandar Dattatreya Garu and हमारे घर के आदमी और हमारे को इतना चाहते हुए साहब 1 घंटा पहले बोल रहे थे कि मैं शायद नहीं आ पाऊंगा. Just with an invitation when I went to their office at Darussalam, he has kindly accepted and in fact असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब को भी बोला कि भाई इनके प्रोग्राम में जाना है आपको. It is such a great thing that we are just 4 years old, sir. हम 4 साल के हैं सर. 4 साल पहले ये यूनाइटेड फोरम फॉर SC and ST एम्प्लॉयज को स्थापित किया था सर. We have established the United Forum for SC and ST employees. The main objective of this organization is that pooling of all the SC/ST employees from different departments and who has to be placed in one United Forum. That is our main aim, sir. The organization is having many things in its mind, particularly the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe employees, those who are working in different departments and those who are facing different grievances at different levels. हमारे लिए whether it is from central government and whether it is from state government, whether it is from public sector and private sector, we are there everywhere in different spheres of our life and in different spheres of this country's development, sir. First of all, let me give a brief about myself. I am working with Oil and Natural Gas Corporation as a superintendent geologist, sir. And it's my privilege, although I am working, rather for the last 23 years I was out of my Hyderabad state, but fortunately, because of the courtesy of Shri Jaipal Reddy Garu when he was the Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas, he has enough blessed me and he has posted me at Hyderabad. And I took this as an opportunity, sir. And looking towards the principles and objectives of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, we got very much impressed, we got very much inspired. And the dedication what a single lone person, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, who has whole life he has contributed, rather who has dedicated his entire life for the community's development. It was such a beautiful experience of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Without getting tired, till his last breath, he was working for entire community. पूरी कौम के लिए चाहे SC, ST, BC and minorities हो और backward classes हो and those who are economically backward, Baba Sahib Ambedkar has worked in such a beautiful way that his main vision, 100%, his main vision was that my country has to be developed, and for this development, the backward classes, the oppressed and depressed classes of our community, first they have to be lifted, and that was his major point, sir. So ये oppressed and depressed classes सिर्फ economically backward नहीं, बल्कि the differentiation or the discrimination what the society was doing for the oppressed and depressed classes, he has raised his voice at all levels. चाहे वो state level में हो या central level में हो या bottom levels में हो. He has raised the voices and he has seen what best he can do for his community. And it is very fortunate that Baba Sahib Ambedkar, who has strived hard throughout his entire life, he has gifted us for this entire country, he has gifted a constitution. The constitution particularly, it has given a respect for an individual from every caste, creed and religion. Baba Sahib Ambedkar he has never discriminated high class or low class, whatever it is. They think only in one way, that we have to give a helping hand to those oppressed and depressed classes. It is wonderful to see. It is wonderful to see in everyone that there is a heart in everybody, and there is how we have to lift the people and how we have to give them a pleasure in the society. That is how everyone thinks. But very few people remain in the society, those who have really worked hard for the community, sir. And I take this an opportunity, although we are very comfortable as far as our jobs are concerned, as far as our economic status is concerned, as everybody says that there is enough for everything, and Baba Sahib has done enough for everyone, but still today also the same discrimination is being continuing, rather its face has been changed. Its face has been changed in the sense the intellectuality and the balance, particularly among the public, it is so high, rather it has reached in such a way that the manipulations are still going on, sir. We are fighting, we have to start our fight.